Hey, welcome back in, guys. Today we're going to have another episode of Around My Way. We're going to the Peach Cobbler factory today. This is somewhere we've never tried before. At being our anniversary, we decided to give it a shot. We had a good dinner. We wanted to go and have a good dessert, so we came here. Remember, Around My Way is where we go to different locations that were within a 50-mile radius of my home. The location of this place is 12 Padduck Hills Plaza in Florissant, Missouri, 63033. Again, the place, as soon as you hit the door, it smelled amazing. We were really excited. They specialize in cobblers, shakes, and cookies, and then they have puddings as well. Here's a look at what they have to offer. Really good stuff. It took a long time for us to really kind of decide what we want, but ironically, we all kind of got different things, which is a good thing. I settled for the sweet potato pie cobbler. My wife got the peach cobbler. My daughter got the Oreo pudding shake, and my other daughter got a cookie. And just look at these cookies, man. They are humongous. And when I say they are literally the size of your face, they are literally the size of your face, as I'll show you here in a little bit when I show you my daughter's cookie. They have a lot of little merch and stuff in here. It's a really quaint little spot. Not real big, not too small. It's kind of just right. And there were a lot of people coming in and out getting to-go orders while we were there. Got this little sign, this little picture sign to stay peachy. So you can come in and just show your love for the place. Pretty cool. Just playing around. I really enjoyed it though. Again, we all got different things. So here's my daughter's cookie. And look how this big that thing is. She just got the regular snickerdoodle with the icing. And it's the size of her face. That's my daughter's shake, and here's my wife's peach cobbler. She said it was really good, and you get a side of ice cream with every cobbler that you get, which is also pretty cool. All together for everything we had, we spent a little over $32, so it's not too bad. Could, would I love it to be a little cheaper? Sure, but it's not too bad for a specialty spot like this. And for the food that you get and how good it was, we really enjoyed it. Now, my personal opinion as far as the sweet potato cobbler, I do wish the sweet potatoes could have been a little sweeter, but the praline and the pecans on top was very sweet, so it actually worked together really well. As long as you were getting a bite of that praline and pecan with the sweet potato, you were going to be good. And it serves hot, so everything we served that was served, it's like fresh out the oven, and then you got that cold ice cream to go with it. So here's a little shot of me getting a bite of mine. Just look at that candy pecan, and you can see a little of the steam coming off of that sweet potato. Really good. We will definitely be back. I highly recommend this place if you're looking for, you just got a craving for some cobbler or a nice dessert or a pie. Give this place a shot. You don't have to heat up your own house or anything like that or do any of the legwork. You can just go ahead and come to the Peach Cobbler factory and let them do the work for you. Again, this place is in Florissant, Missouri, 12 Padduck Hills Drive, or Padduck Hills Plaza. We will definitely be back. 2 thumbs up.